Hey, what's up guys, this is Nayesh Sheikh from blogdude.com and thank you for watching my video. And in this video we'll be creating an awesome super professional website using WordPress. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's first have a look at the website, the demo website which we have already created, so we can get an idea about how our website will look after we finish this video. So at the top, as you can see, there is a favicon, this small logo over here. You can see this is the favicon. I'll show you how to create this without using any professional softwares like Photoshop or CorelDRAW. And here at the left top we have our logo. I'll show you how to create this one too. And at the right we have some pages: the home page, about us page, services page, and I have created two sample pages so that you can get an idea of how to create different kind of page. And we have two sub pages in sample pages, that is sample page 1, sample page 2. Then we have a gallery page, and at the last we have a contact us page. So we'll see the home page later. First let's see the contact us page. So okay guys, as you can see, we have got a really awesome professional contact us page. At the left side we have a contact us form where the user can fill in his name, email address, subject and message, and whenever they click on the send message button, the message is directly delivered onto your email address. And at the right we have a get in touch message. Then at the middle we have the office address, phone number, email address, and then at the bottom we have the business hours, which says Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m, Saturday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m, and Sunday is closed. So as you can see, we have these three beautiful icons: red icon for map, a blue icon for phone, and a green envelope icon for email. And for business hour also we have simple clock icon. So we'll be using all these things into our website. These small things make great change and have a really great impact on the customer or the user which is visiting your website. So this thing really makes difference. So after the contact us page, let's have a look at the gallery page. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is a really beautiful gallery page, and whenever you click on an image, the image pops up. This is a light box. We'll be using this plugin also, and using your keyboard arrows, left and right arrows, you can change the image. And when you press the escape button, the screen is gone. So as you can see, this page is really beautiful. The layout is really beautiful. All the images are fitted very well. So this will be our gallery page. Now let's have a look at the sample pages which we have created. So just hover over sample pages, you'll see two sub pages: sample page 1 and sample page 2. Just click on sample page 1. So guys, as you can see, this is our sample page 1. There is a background image of Gateway of India which is located in Mumbai. Beautiful image. And on top of that image there is a text which says, "This is Nayesh Sheikh from Mumbai." So obviously you can change the text. I'll show you how to do this, everything step by step. And when we scroll down, in the middle we have added another row with some text, and at the bottom we have some beautiful images which are very beautifully customized and layout. So as you can see, there's no gap between the image, and this looks really beautiful. Okay, so this was our sample 1 page. Let's have a look at the sample 2 page. So again, hover over sample pages and select sample page 2. So this is our sample page 2. As you can see, this time we have given a color to the row, something like blue color, and this color looks really beautiful. At the left side we have some text which says WordPress is easy to use with drag and drop, and at the right side we have a clip art or an image. So this really looks good. When we scroll down, we can see there is a text. You can also embed a YouTube video, and then there is an embedded video which is one of my videos where I have taught how to create e-commerce website using WordPress. So you can also view that video after you finish watching this video. So let's scroll down. Here we have another row which says client, and below that there is some subtext, subtitle, and then few logos of your client's company. Okay, now again scroll down. So as you can see here, we have the testimonial page, very beautiful, very simple, really professional testimonial page. Three customer have given their testimonial for the site. Now coming at the bottom, as you can see, again we have a color row. I'll show you how to create or how to put different color to different rows. You can choose any color you want, any color you like. This is a questions row. There is a title which says question, then subtitle, then a call to action button. I'll also show you how to create this call to action button. You can put in any text you want. I have put in watch now. You can put in click here and redirect this button to any different page or different website, wherever you want. Okay guys, so let's have a look at the services page. As you can see, in the services page at the top we have a title which says services. Then we have added a row. This row has two columns. At the left side we have an image, and at the right side we have some text. In the text there is a title, then there is a paragraph and a call to action text, where we have linked that call to action text, which is read more. And when anybody clicks on that read more, you can redirect that user anywhere you want. And when we scroll down, as you can see, there is a similar row but the difference is here we have put the text on the left side and the image on the right side. So this actually beautifies the website and everything looks similar. And when we scroll down again, at the bottom we have a similar row again, but we have used different colors for the rows to separate. For example, the first row we have put the background color as pure white, whereas in the middle row we have put the background color something like gray color, a light gray color. So this differentiates the row and it gives a professional look to the website. Okay guys, so let's move on to the about us page. Here as you can see, we have put two rows. In the first row we have put three columns. First column is a text, a formatted text. Then in the middle we have a image, and then again at the right side we have an about us text. So this really looks beautiful. And at the next row is divided into two columns. At the left side we have some text. I am a dude from Mumbai, so obviously I have put that text. And again at the right side we have a image of Gateway of India, which is in Mumbai. So this is how our about us page looks like. And now finally let's move on to the home page and let's see how our home page looks like. So as you can see, at the top we have a slider, background image and a text on top which says how to create an awesome website using WordPress. Obviously you can put in your own text, but just to show you. And then when we scroll down we have a features option which says features. You can change the text. Obviously instead of features you can write something like products or something. It's all up to you. Then a subtitle, and then we have four beautiful icons which is really beautiful, very colorful. When you hover over that, as you can see, this color blinks up. So this really looks good. And I'll also show you how to create these different icons which are really professional. For example, the user-friendly icon, the YouTube icon, Facebook icon and the like icon. This really looks beautiful. So I'll show you how to create this without using any professional software. And then we have the title, user-friendly, and below that we have a paragraph which says something like Naya Sheikh is something. And then below that we have a paragraph. So this is the feature section. And when we scroll down again, we have an about us section. So as you can see, this section is divided into three parts. The first part is heading one part where it says everything on my YouTube channel is helpful, free and awesome. And in the middle we have some text, paragraph text, which is about your company. And at the right side we have some counter. You can put in your own custom values over there. Again, scrolling down, as you can see, this is our members option, but instead of our members I have put the text my army. It's all up to you, whatever you want to put. And below that we have a subtitle which says prove that you have real people working for you. So you have to put just some images of the people who are working for you. For example, as you can see, the first image is a girl. Her name is Alice White, which is a project manager. So similarly you can put different people who are working for you, but you can also hide any of the particular rows I'm showing you. For example, the testimonial row, the features row, or the my army row. You can hide any row you want or you don't like. You can hide that row and you can keep the rest rows. So this was the R member row. Now let's scroll down. So here we have the testimonials row. So as you can see, there's 3 testimonial with 3 different pictures, and the fonts are really beautiful and it really looks very good. Now let's again scroll down, and at the bottom we have a get in touch row which has a contact form. So anybody can contact you by filling this contact form. And at the bottom in the footer we have 3 different things. One is address, second one is mail, and third one is your mobile number. And at the right corner we have some social links, so you can add in your social links over there. And we have also changed the default copyright message. So this is the website which we'll be creating. This is a real beautiful website, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you really like it and want to create this website, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you may know, to create any kind of website we need a domain name and a hosting account. So for both domain name and a hosting account, I prefer the hostgator.com. You'll find a link to the HostGator in the video description below, or you can visit blog.com/hostgator. So what does this do is it redirects you to the shared plans page, which gives you the highest discount on hosting plans. So just click on that link. So once you click on that link or visit the blog.com/hostgator, you'll land on this particular page. So as you can see here, we have 3 different options: a hatchling plan, baby plan, and a business plan. And we are going with baby plan because in hatchling plan you can only register one single domain, whereas in the baby plan you can register unlimited domains. So obviously we are going with baby plan. So click on sign up now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this checkout page. Here the first option is to select a domain. So let's put in your domain. For example, I want blogdude.com. So it says it's unavailable because I have already registered that domain. So I'll select I already own this domain. Okay, now the second option is choosing a hosting plan. For the package type, we have already selected the baby plan, and for the billing cycle, I personally prefer to go with 12 months. So select 12 months, and in the username you can type in any username you want. So you can choose your own username. And coming down we have a security pin. You can put in any number between 4 to 8. Okay, then coming down we have to enter our billing info. So put in your email address, name, your address, everything, all the details, and also put the credit card or the debit card detail by which you want to make the payment. And then come down here, we have some additional services. I would personally recommend you to untick all these services. Okay, then scroll down. At the bottom you can see there's an option for coupon code. Because we're already getting 60% discount, I would recommend you not to put any coupon code over there. Just let the default coupon code be there. For example, now it's September Sept 60, so let it be there. At different times you will have different coupon codes. But if you're getting anything less than 50%, then you can put in my coupon code, which is webdude45, and after you put that, just click on validate. So you'll get a great discount on this hosting account. After that, come to the bottom and tick mark I have read the agreements, and after that at the final click on checkout now. So once you click on checkout now, you will receive an email from HostGator. This email has really important informations of your website, like the control panel link, your username, password, name servers. So save this email and copy and paste it in your Word document and save it somewhere, write it down, because this will always help you. Okay, after that open the email. Here you'll see something called control panel link. Open that link in a new tab. Now put in your username and password, copy it from the email you just received. Now click on login. Okay guys, so this is our HostGator control panel. As you can see, there are so many different options from top to bottom, but we'll need only one option right now, which is install WordPress for free. So come back at the top and here you'll see get started with WordPress today. Just click on that. You will be redirected to a new page. So here, as you can see here, install WordPress for free. So just click on that install WordPress button. Now here select the website where you want to install the WordPress and keep this column blank. After that, put in your email address. Be very sure when you're putting your email address, make sure you're putting email address which you have access to, because you'll be getting daily updates regarding your website, your password and everything on that particular email. So put in an active email address. After that, there is an option for blog title. You can put any title of your choice. For example, create an awesome website for me. Then put in your admin username. You can choose any admin username. I'm selecting Nair. Then type in your first name and last name. After you're done that, just click on install WordPress. Okay, it says your install is complete. Click here to view your notification. So just click on this arrow, down arrow, which says view credentials. Here you can see two very important things, your admin area link and your password. So just open the admin area link in a new tab. Well guys, as you can see, it shows a 404 not found page, and you don't have to worry about that because this is really common and it always happens. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes for WordPress to install on your domain name, so give it a time. So I'm pausing this video, and whenever my domain is active, I'll continue from then. Okay guys, now my domain is active and this is how your website will look like once WordPress is successfully installed. Now put in wp-admin after your domain name and press enter. Here put in your username and password which you just got. So copy and paste it over here. Copy and paste your password also. Now click on login. Okay guys, so this is our WordPress dashboard. Save your password if you want. And the first thing which we have to do is change our password, because as you saw, we got a really tricky and confusing password which is not of our choice from WordPress. So we want our own custom password. So at the top, as you can see, it says Howdy Nair. It will say your name, Howdy Jack, Howdy Ted, whatever your name is. Just click on that and scroll down to the bottom. You'll see something called generate password. So just click on new password, generate password. A new password is generated, but we don't want this kind of password, so just delete that and put in your own password. I'm putting 12345678990, but I strongly recommend not to put this kind of simple passwords. This is just a tutorial, so I'm putting this password. You have to put some really tricky password which is very difficult to guess. Okay, after you've done that, click on or tick the confirm use of weak password and save settings. Okay, it says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page, as you saw. So just click here to launch your website. Okay, so it says congratulations, your site is live now. After that, we are going to change some general settings. So at the left side, you can see there are many options: dashboard, jetpack. So there at the bottom, you'll see an option called settings. Just hover over settings and select general settings. In general settings, as you can see, this is the site title we just created, and after that there is a tagline option. So you can put in your own tagline. I'm putting using WordPress, so it will be create an awesome website using WordPress, and rest everything is fine. So just scroll down and save settings. Now after that, select the discussion tab and make sure everything looks fine. If you want anybody to comment, just select the anyone can comment, and there are many options, so you can check it out. Once you're done that, just scroll down to the bottom and click on save changes, and then we have a media option. Everything looks fine over here, so just move on to permalinks. Here you have to select the post name option. So the link should be your domain name and then directly your post name instead of any numbers or something. So select the post name option, and that is the most SEO friendly link. So select that and click on save changes. So okay guys, so let's see how our website looks now after installing WordPress. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how our website looks like, and this is not this kind of beautiful website which we have created, the demo website. So we have to create or convert this boring website into something beautiful like our demo website. So for that we'll need something called theme. So in this video we'll be using Seriflite theme. So you'll find a link to this theme in the video description below. So just click on that link, and that link will redirect you to this particular page, and here select download now for free. So this is a free theme as I told you earlier. So download this theme, and now come back to your dashboard, hover appearances and select themes. Here at the top you will see an option called upload option. Just click on that upload button. Now again at the top you have a button called upload theme. Select that button. Now choose a file. Choose the file where you have saved it. Okay, so this is the file. So select that file and click on open and select install now. So our theme is getting installed. Meanwhile, let's have a very short tour to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/NayyarSheikh. Guys, I really put a lot of efforts in making these videos, and I'll be really happy if you guys appreciate my efforts. For that, just do two simple things which will just take 2 seconds of your life. Just click on the like button of this video, because this video is surely gonna help you, and also subscribe to my channel. So you just have to click two simple buttons, one like button, another one is subscribe button. Okay guys, so once you're done that, let's come back to our dashboard, and as you can see our theme has been successfully installed. So now let's activate the theme. So just click on activate. Now let's come back to our website and see the changes. So refresh the website. Okay guys, so as you can see our website now looks really very beautiful, but still there are many things lacking. For example, we don't have any pages created over here, like the about us page, the contact us page or anything. So this is nothing like the demo website, and we don't have a custom logo and favicon and everything. So now let's start creating that. First let's create this favicon. As I told you, the small icon on the top, that is the favicon. So for that, open a new tab and type in logomaker, logomakr.com, and at the top you'll see search graphics. So put in anything you want. For example, I'm putting www, and as you can see there's so many different simple and beautiful icons and logos available. So I have used this one, so I'm selecting this one, and you can select any color you want, any color of your choice, but I want to make everything look similar, so I'm selecting this color. But how will I know what this color is? So what I do is just right click on that button and select inspect. So here as you can see guys, there is a code, color code. Just click on that, copy that code and come back to the logo maker page, and here at the bottom just paste in that code. So as you can see the color has automatically changed. Now we have to resize this thing, this logo, and make sure it is something around 512 into 512. So once you are done with that, just save this image. Okay, so you can crop the image and make sure the size is 512 into 512, and after that just click on the save button. So the icon or the logo is successfully saved. Okay guys, so now let's create our logo, the main logo, and for that also we'll be using logo maker. So again come back to logomaker.com, delete this thing because we don't need now, Now again we have to search for www and press enter, and here as you can see we have used a different logo. So let's search for that logo. Okay, so this is the one, so select this, and again we have to put in the code for that. Just paste in the code you just copied. Okay, the color is not changing. Okay, sometimes happens, so what you can do is just change the color from the circle over here, any color, and then paste the code. Okay, as you can see the color has changed. Okay, so this is the logo which we'll be using. You can use any other logo, you can search in that graphic and use that logo. And let's see the size of the logo. So what you can do, again select that, click on inspect, and as you can see there you will see, again let me show you, inspect, and you'll see the size. Okay, here it is. So make sure the height is something like 29. Okay, perfect. Now we have a text which says Websoft. So now let's add a text. Click on text. Now select it all and type in Websoft. Now let's color this text. You can color it anything you want. I'm selecting something like gray color, something between brown and gray. So select any color of your choice and then reduce the size, make it 29, make the height 29 pixels and put them together. As you can see now this looks like our logo, similar like our logo. So just crop this image and save it. Okay guys, so now we have both our logo and favicon. So now it's time to upload the logo and the favicon to our website. So just come back to your website, and as you can see at the top you'll see one option, customize. Just click on that option. Okay, now we can see there are many options, and the first option is site identity. Just click on that and select a logo. So click on select image and select an image for your logo. So see where you have saved that logo. So I have saved it over here, as you can see. So select that image and click on open. Now choose image. Okay, as you can see the changes have already taken place. Now I have to upload the favicon. So just click on upload file and upload the favicon. So this was the favicon we created. Click on open. Okay, select, and as you can see here it also shows how this will look like. So it really looks beautiful, and the changes have taken place on our website. As you can see the logo is here, the favicon is here. So once everything is fine, just click on save and publish. Okay guys, now we'll be changing this text which says one of the top 10 most popular theme on wordpress.org. So we have to change this text and put in our own text. So come back and now select the big title section, and the first option, as you can see, the title. So just select everything, delete that and put in your own custom text. So I'm just copying this and I'll paste it over here. Okay, so as you can see everything looks fine now. And red button label, what your red button should say. At present it says features, you can change it to anything. For example, let's put about us. Okay, as you can see now it shows about us. Now red button link, where this button should link. So we can link it to anywhere like about us page, or a different website, a different page, or anywhere. Now when we click on what's inside, we are directed to the features section, which is good. So I want to maintain that thing, so don't change anything over there. Okay, now come back, and as you can see we have a parallax option. So remove both the images and upload your own image. Make sure use parallax effect is activated and click on change image. and upload any image of your choice. Make sure the image is quite big enough. So I have already selected an image, so this is the image. Once you select it, click on open. So as you can see, this image is a big image, so make sure it is a big image. Now choose image. Also the size of the image should be small. So once you have an image, click on choose image. Okay, as you can see, the changes have taken place and this really looks beautiful, except with this font. We'll be changing this font soon. As you can see here, the font is different and here it is different. We'll be changing it soon. Now let's come down and change the features option, the features row. So come down and select our focus section, and in the first option we have, it says features, and as you can see, let's come back to the demo website. Features and then a subtitle. So let's the feature be same, and our subtitle we can change it. You can also change the features title. Then come back and again select this option. Now we have to change these things, these icons, the title and the paragraph. So for this icon also I have created on Logo Maker. So what you can do is just search for the graphics. So put in user. You will see many beautiful logos. So search for the best logo that suits you. Scroll down so that you can get more and more options. These are all black and white images, but I have selected a colorful image which really looks beautiful. So make sure to find that icon. You scroll down. Well guys, so this is the icon I have used in my demo website. So just select that and make sure it is, and select that, and let's see what is the size of the icon. So as you can see, again click on inspect element, right click on that object and select inspect element, and there you will see it is 125 into 125. As you can see over here, the image size is 125 into 125. So make sure our image is also of the same size. So just drag it down. Okay, fine. Let's first delete all this thing because we don't need that. We have already created it. So okay, so once you are done that, just save this image. Now let's come back to our website. So similarly, you can create all these logos from here. Just search for the logo. For example, for YouTube, search YouTube. For Facebook, search Facebook, and for like, search like in the graphic button option, and you'll find all the logos and icons over there, because I have used all those things from Logo Maker. So make sure first is a title. At present we have parallax effect. We want to change this to user friendly, so just put in user friendly. After that we have a text option, which is this thing. So come back to our website and copy this thing, or you can put in your own custom text. So I'm just copying this and pasting over here. So as you can see, the changes are taking place. Okay, so both the changes are taking place. Now you can also link this thing to any different page or different website. If you don't want to link it, just let the asterisk sign be there. After that we have to upload the logo we have just created. So we'll find that logo. Okay, so this is the logo. So just select that logo. Now click on upload image. Now click on apply to see the changes. Okay, as you can see, the changes have taken place and this really looks so beautiful. So similarly, you can change all this thing also. I have showed you one thing. You can change everything. So it really this thing is really very simple. You can do it by yourself. Now let's move on to the about section. Okay, so to make changes in this section, come back and scroll down and select about us section, and in the setting option you can hide this thing. As you can see, the title is about, so we can change it, so we are changing it to about us. You can also change the subtitle if you want. We are keeping it the same. After that, there is a big title on the left side. So let's see our big title. Our big title is everything on my YouTube channel is helpful, free and awesome. So I'm using that same title. So just copy and paste or type in your own text if you want. Okay, so as you can see, the changes have again taken place, and now in the middle we have the about us paragraph. So I have not changed that, I have kept it as same. So I have not changed that, I have kept it at same. I have not changed that, I have kept it as same. So I'm not changing anything. Just make sure when you want to separate two paragraphs, you put this code BR into arrow brackets. Okay, so now let's come back and make changes in the counter option. Select the feature one, and here you can type in any text you want. I'm typing in quality instead of your skill number 1, and you can also type in some different custom text. So just copy that and paste it over there, and you can put in the percentage you want. I'm putting 100%. It's all up to you, whatever you want to put. So as you can see, changes have taken place. Similarly, you can do for all the 4 options. That's really simple. So once you're done that, scroll down and let's come to the team option. So select the our team option, and in the content you'll see the title is my team. So instead of that, I'm putting my army. You can put in your own code, and then you can also put in the subtitle. Then we have to change these photos if you want the photos, their names and everything. So our team section widgets, and first widget, instead of the name, put in your name or any other name you want. For example, for the first one, I'm putting Taylor Swift. Okay, changes have taken place. Now the position, what's their position in your organization? What's the position of this particular person in your organization? For example, she's the manager, so just put in manager. Okay, scroll down. Here is a short description about the person and some social links. So you can change everything and make sure it opens in a new window, so tick mark that. Now let's upload her image. So I have already selected and created few images, and I have created all this from Logo Maker, as I showed you, just selecting and searching for different graphics and you will find that. So let's use this image and click on apply. As you can see, when we click on apply, the changes have taken place. So similarly for all the 4 members, you can do the same way. Now we have to change the testimonials. So scroll down, and as you can see, this is the testimonial. So select that option and you can hide this, or if you want you can hide any of the rows if you want, but we want this instead of title, we can put in anything. For example, I'm putting what our clients say. Okay, come back, testimonial section widget, the first one, the name of the author. So you can put any name of your choice. I'm putting my friend's name, Afzal Khan, and what they have to say about you. So in the text you can put in that, and in the author detail you can put in the position of the they hold in the organization. For example, I'm putting CEO of some company like Ola. Now scroll down and you can change the image. Obviously this is the image, as you can see, different images. As you can see, we have a very ugly background color for testimonials. We'll be changing it soon. But first let's finish this section. Now let's scroll down and we have the latest news section, but I don't want this section. So what I do is select the latest news section and tick mark hide this section, so that section is hidden and we won't see that. And at the bottom we have a get in touch message section, so that is really fine, we don't want to do anything with that. Then at the bottom we have the address, email address and the phone number options. So we also have to change that. So come back, you can also change the background image from here. Now we want to change the footer section, so what you do is come back, and as you can see here you have the footer icons. For if you change that, that is the footer icon. As you can see, you can put in your Facebook, Twitter link, everything. Then we have the footer content. This is the company address. Now let's see what we have in the demo website. Okay, so this is the address we have in the demo website, so we'll just copy and paste it over here. And the next option is email address option. So just instead of contact@site.com, you can put in your own custom email address. After that we have phone number information. So instead of the default phone number, you can put in your own personal phone number. I'm just putting some random number, so you can put anything you want. Okay guys, so we are done with this now. So let's come back and we have to change this thing which says powered by your WordPress Zerify. So for that, and also this ugly colors. So first let's save and publish this thing, and now we'll change the color of the testimonial and the footer text. So let's see the website, the changes that we have made in the website. Okay, so everything looks fine, we have changed everything we wanted. Now we have to change the color obviously of this testimonial. Okay, so for that we need some plugins. So come back to your dashboard, hover plugins and click on add new, and at the bottom of the video, in the video description, you'll find a link that will redirect you to my website, one of my posts. There you will find the list of plugins which will require, so that we can copy the name of the plugin and install the plugin one by one, all the plugins at the same time. So first one is Contact Form 7. So copy and paste it over there and install and activate the Contact Form plugin. Now again click on add new, and let's see the another one is custom CSS. So in the search bar put in custom CSS. As you can see, there are many custom CSS plugins, but we want this one by Freshbase. So just select this one and click on install now, and also activate the plugin. Now next plugin is Easy Google Fonts. So again come back to your plugins, click on add new, in the search bar put in Easy Google Fonts, and this is the plugin we want. So just click on install now, also activate the plugin. Next one is a very beautiful plugin which is Page Builder by SiteOrigin. So again repeat the same steps. Okay, it has got more than 1 million active installs. This shows how awesome this plugin is. Just install and activate the plugin. Next one is Photo Gallery by Sophistics. So just copy and paste it over there. Okay, this is the plugin. Just install this plugin, click on activate, again click on add new, and let's see, we have one more plugin which is SiteOrigin Widget Bundle. So search for that and install this one. Okay, so all our plugins have been successfully installed. Now we have to change the color of the testimonial. So hover appearances and select custom code. Now we'll need to put some code, so just click on add new and come back to my website, the same link. At the top we can see testimonial background color, and this is the code to remove the color or to change the color. So in the title put in testimonial BG color or whatever you want, just to identify that this code is for this purpose, and copy the code from my website and paste it over here. After that click on publish. Now we have another code for header space remover, so copy it, click on add new, put in the title header space remover. Now copy the code and paste it over here and then click on publish. Then we have hide the title, a code to hide the title. So again click on add new, put in hide title in the title, and then copy this code and paste it over there and click on publish. Guys, so we have successfully done all the three codes. Okay guys, so now let's refresh the page. So as you can see, the changes have taken place. The color of the background has changed. Now we have to change this text, serif light and WordPress. So for that, come back to your dashboard, hover appearances and select editor. Now scroll down and select footer.php. Now on your keyboard press Ctrl plus F. Now we have to find the text serif light, so type in serif light and press enter. We want this serif light, so select that serif light and put in your own text. I'm putting block dude. Also change the link, so I'm changing the link and putting in my own link, that is blockdude.com. Now we have to change the WordPress text, so here is the WordPress text. So again, instead of WordPress, put in whatever you want. I'm putting Nayyar Sheikh, and make sure to change the link of this too. So put in your custom link, any link you want. Okay guys, once you're done that, just upload the file and you're good to go. Okay, now let's refresh the page. So guys, as you can see, all the changes have taken place. Okay guys, so now we have to start creating the pages. So the first page we'll be creating is about us page. So for that, come back to your dashboard, hover pages and select add new. And in the title, put in about us. And here, from here, you have to select page builder. Now here, as you can see, we have one row and we have divided that row into 3 columns. So click on row. Okay. Now here we have 2 columns. So just increase 1 column and click on insert. Now select the first column and click on add widget. So actually we are adding the widget to the first column. Now select the site origin editor, and once you've done that, click on edit. So as you can see, we have a text, so just copy this text and put in over here. But our text is align to right side, so change the alignment by pressing over here. Okay, now click on done. Now we have to put this image in the middle column, so again select that column and click on add widget. Now select site origin image. Now click on edit, choose file, upload file, select file you want to upload. So as you can see, this is the image we will be uploading. Okay, so this is it. So select media and image size full, image alignment center. Okay, fine. Now click on done. Select the third column, click on add widget, and again we have to add site origin editor, so select that, click on edit. Now again copy this text and we have to paste this text over there. So come back over here and paste this code. As you can see, the about text is headline 1 and the rest paragraph is paragraphs. Now we have to change some settings in the row, so click on that range over there, and here as you can see there are many options. Make sure the template is full width page because we want this template to be full width page. Now select on the select the range which will edit this row. Now go to layout, in the bottom margin put in 0 and in the padding put in 30 pixels. Okay, now row layout should be full width. Now click on done. Now let's publish and see how our page looks like now. So open this page in a new tab. Okay, so this looks good except for few things. The image is quite big and our text is a bit higher, a bit up, so let's change those things. So come back over here and select the first text, and as you can see this has come down, so just click the backspace button and put it up. Now let's edit the image, and image size put it as medium 300 into 300. Now click on done and everything is fine, rest everything is fine. So now click on update. Now let's again refresh the page and let's see. Okay, so as you can see this looks beautiful now. Okay, so as you can see in the demo we have to add another row, so just click on add row, and this time we'll have two layouts, two row, two columns. So let this be 50% into 50%. Now select the first column and click on add widget. Now select site origin editor, click on edit. Now put in the text I'm a dude from Mumbai and all your paragraph and paste it over here. And as you can see in the demo website the alignment is right side, so we'll align this text right side. So click over here, so everything is aligned. The header is paragraph but it is bold and italic, rest everything is normal. Click on done. Select the next column and add a widget, and this time we are adding again the image, site origin image. Click on edit and select the file you want to upload. I have the file with me, the image of Gateway of India, so I'm selecting that file. Now see, click on set media. Image size should be medium 300 into 300. Alignment should be center. Click on done. You can also redirect this image to another website URL if you want. So after you've done that, click on done. Now let's edit the row. The bottom margin should be 0. The padding should be 30 if you want, it's all up to you. And row layout should be full width. Now let's refresh the page and see. Okay, this looks nice except for two things. The first thing is image is quite small, and the second thing is there is no difference of color, everything in white color. For example, when you see the demo website, the first column, the first row is white color and the next row is light gray color. So we have to change the second row color. So we have to do two things: increase the size of the image and change the row color of the second row. Okay guys, so let's come back and make the changes. First, let's change the color of the background color. Make it as F6 x F6 F6. And now we have to change the size of the image and put it as full size, and after that update the file. Now let's refresh and see the changes. So as you can see, both our changes have taken place, but now again we have one problem. As you can see, the padding is very low. There is no gap between both the columns. So let's do that. Come back to the file, again edit the row. In the layout option, you'll see this padding option, so put in 30, but we want only the top padding, so delete all the other three paddings and click on save. Now let's refresh the page and see the changes. As you can see, now we have some gap between both the rows, so this looks nice. Okay guys, so now we'll be creating the services page. For that, come back to your dashboard and click on add new page. Put the title as services. Now scroll and select the template as full width page and select page builder and add a row. And first we have to put a title, so single row single column. Okay, so select the row and click on add widget, select site origin editor, click on edit and put in your text. So I'm just putting services, and increase the size of the text to heading 1, center alignment. Now click on done. Now edit this row because we have to change some settings over here. We want some gap, so put the padding as 30 pixels and row layout as full width. Okay, now click on done. We have to add another row with 2 columns. We're fine. So select the first column and insert a widget, site origin image. Click on edit, choose the media you want. So this is the image I am choosing. Choose media, upload image, select files. Now let's see the image. Okay, this is the image I am using, so select that image, click set media. Okay, alignment should be center. Now click on done. In this column we have some text, so add widget, site origin editor, click on edit. Now just copy this text from top to bottom and paste it over here. So as you can see, the first one is a heading, and then there is some gap, then we have a paragraph, and at the bottom we have some text, but that text has a link. So I'll show you how to create that. Just type in your text. For example, we are typing read more. Just type in read more. Now what you have to do is select the whole text, and the top you will see a link. Just click on that and paste the URL where you want to link that text to. For example, I want to link my text to this particular page. So what I'll do is copy and paste the link over here. Now click this setting button and select the open link in a new tab. Now update. So as you can see, everything is fine. Now click on done. We have a similar row of 2 columns, but at this time we have image on the right side and text on the left side. So let's add that. Add a row, select 2 columns. Okay, in the first column, add widget, site origin editor. Now click on edit. Now copy this text and paste in over here. After that, just click on done. Select the second column, add widget, site origin image. Now select the image, choose media, upload files, select files, select the image you want to upload. I'm selecting this one, so click on open, set media, image alignment should be center. Okay, now again we have another row with 2 columns. Just drag this row at the bottom. At the first column we have an image again. As you can see, this is the image in the last row. So click on edit to upload the image, choose media, select the image you want to upload. This is the image we'll be uploading. Just click on open, set media, alignment should be center. Now click on done, select the second column and copy this text and paste it over there. First add widget, site origin editor, click on edit. Now paste the text over there. Okay, now click on done. Okay, so now let's click on publish and see the changes. So we can open this page in a new tab. Okay, this looks fine. Now let's scroll down. Okay, so as you can see, we forgot to put the color for the middle row because everything is white, but to differentiate the row we have to put it different colors so that we can know that there is 2 different rows or 3 different rows. So let's come back and change the color of the row, middle row. So click on edit row. In the design option, in the background color, put in hash f6 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 and select done. Now update this file. Now let's refresh and see the changes. Okay, so changes have taken place, but again this should be full width and also padding should be there. So we have to add some paddings and we have to make this row as a full width row. So come back, edit the row, select layout and row layout full width. Padding should be something like 30. Now click on done. Now update this file. Now let's again refresh the file. So as you can see, the changes have taken place and this now looks really beautiful. Okay, so we are done with the services page also. Now next we have to create 2 sample pages, sample page 1 and sample page 2. So let's do that. Okay guys, so to create that page, go back to your dashboard, hover pages and select add new. Now in the title put in sample page 1. Now select the page builder. Now click on add row and select it 1. We want only 1 column, so now add a widget and select site origin editor. Now click on edit. Now go back to that same link and scroll down. Here you will see something called sample page code. Just select that code and paste it over here, but make sure you paste it in the text column in the text block. So select the text from the top and paste it. Now come to the visual side and align it in the center and bring this thing down maybe 5 spaces, and from down also we have to give 5 spaces, 3 4 5. So just keep on pressing enter 5 times on top and on bottom. After that just click on done. Now edit this row, and in the design now we have to put a background image. We already have an image, so we won't be uploading. Just select the image and click on done, and select cover image instead of tiled image so that we can get a cover look. Okay guys, so after you do that, make sure it is full width page. Now scroll down and click on publish to see what changes have taken place. Now let's open this page in a new tab. So as you can see, we have the image but it is not full width image, and we have the text but this text doesn't look like the demo one, so we have to do that. So come back to your dashboard, edit the row, and in the layout option come back, select row layout and select full width, click on done. Now click on update. Now let's refresh the page and see the changes. So as you can see, the image is now full width. Now we have to do something about this text. So for that we have to change the font. So go back to your dashboard, hover settings and select Google Fonts. Now come back to this thing, and as you can see there is something called sample page in the code. So what you have to do is name the control name sample page 1 and add CSS selector dot, and after dot the code, the class code which is sample page 1. Just copy that from there and paste it over there, but first put a dot sample page 1. Okay, fine. Now click on save for changes. Now after that come back to the page and click on customize. Now as you can see, we are getting another option, typography. So first in the default typography we have to change this text into something we created in the demo one, for example this into this one. So this is the quicksand font. Select the headline one and font family, type in quicksand and font weight 700. Okay, now select the headline 2 and font family again quicksand and font weight 700. And same for the headline 3 or heading 3, font family should be quicksand. You can always obviously choose different fonts if you want. I'm choosing quicksand because I have used this font in the demo website, but obviously you can use another font if you want. Now click on save and publish, come back, and now we have to change this text. So click on theme typography, and as you can see now we have something called sample page 1 because we have created that in the Google Fonts. Now select that, and in the font family you can put quicksand, or you can put another font. For example, you can also put Roboto if you want. So for this one I prefer the Roboto only, so I'm not going with quicksand this time. Type in Roboto, select Roboto from the option, and font weight should be 100. Font color, it's the same, black color. Background color should be white. Now increase the font size whatever you want, so I have kept it at 37. Also increase the font height and letter spacing, as you can see on the screen, increase and decrease according to your wish. Now come to the positioning option, and in the padding option, increase the paddings, bottom, top, left and right paddings, so that we have some space. As you can see, as I increase the padding, what happens to the text over there. So 11 pixels left, 11 pixels right, top 11 pixels, so let's do bottom also 11 pixels. Okay, this looks beautiful. Now coming to the appearances, increase the line height more because we want this image in one whole page. So once you're done that, click on save and publish. Now cancel this and let's see the page. So as you can see, we can see the page, but still there is a gap between the header and the image. We don't want that gap, and for that, if you remember, we had put a custom code, but it seems like that custom code isn't working. So there is another way of doing that. So what you have to do is go back to the page, right click on this space and select inspect, and come down till you find that code, the relative position relative code, and there you will see something called style.css. Just click on that. Now another thing will pop up. So as you can see, at the top we have taxonomy, and then we have the position code, and at bottom we have entry title before. So our position code should be between these two codes. So now we have to search for this code. So what we do is copy the next code that is after that, so that we can get that code, and come back to the editor and press Ctrl F on your keyboard and paste that code, and scroll down till you find that code. So here it is. As you can see at the top, just let's have a look. At the top it was taxonomy, then entry title, then here also we have, in the editor we have taxonomy, then entry title. Okay, so now what we have to do is just type in fixed instead of relative. Okay, and now update the file. Okay guys, so now refresh the page. So as you can see, the changes had taken place. Now we don't see any gap between the content and the header, so our efforts are successful. So let's have a look at the page which we were creating, the sample page 1. So we have successfully created this one. Now we have to add another row of which is a simple font row. So just edit this page. So add another row, click on add widget, select site origin editor, click on edit. Now just copy and paste this text over here. And center align everything. As you can see, the title is heading 1 and the rest is just paragraph. So just click on done. So after that we have 3 images. For that, add another row and add 3 columns this time. Click on insert and drag this row at the bottom, because in the demo we have in the bottom. Now select the first column and add widget site origin image. Now duplicate this widget so that we don't have to add again and again, and drag it to all the columns. In the first column, click on edit, choose media and select your image which you want to upload. Okay, so this is the image which we'll be uploading in the first column. So just select that and click on set media. Size should be full, alignment will be center, everything is fine. Click on done. Next one, choose media, then upload file, upload your next image. This is the image. Click on open. Okay, now set the image. Image size should be full, alignment should be center. Done. Again, site origin image, third column, select your third image. Set media, alignment should be center. Done. Okay, now let's update and see how our page looks like. Just refresh this page, scroll down. As you can see, the changes have taken place, but we have some problem. The images are not attached to each other because we have not edited the row. So just edit the row, and in the layout, in the gutter, put 0 pixels so that there is no gap between the images. And but instead of full width, we have to make it full width stretched so that it stretches through the screen. Now let's refresh and see the changes. Okay, this looks beautiful and this is what we wanted, so this is awesome. Now we have to add some spacing for this text. As you can see, there's very less spacing between both the rows and the text row, so let's add some spacing. So select the second row, select layout, and in the padding put something like 50 this time, and click on done. Update the file. Let's refresh this page and see the changes. Okay, so successful. As you can see, now this really looks beautiful. So we have successfully created our sample page 1. Now let's see the sample page 2. Okay, so let's come back to our dashboard and add a new plugin. So hover plugins and select add new, and now search for all-in-one buttons, and we have to install a new plugin. We just forgot that. Okay, so this is the one. Just click on install now, and now click on activate. So we'll need this plugin to add a button, call to action button. Now add a new page. Put the title as sample page 2. Now let's see, this is the first row. So first go to page builder, add row, and only one column, so reduce it. And we have 2 columns. At the left side we have text, right side we have an icon, but left side we want more space this time and right side less, so we are keeping it something between 70-30. So select the first column, add a widget, click on site origin editor and click on edit. Now just copy and paste this text and center align it. Also, if you notice, the color of the text is white, so what you have to do, select all the text. Now text color, select that, and here as you can see it is white color, select that. Now select the second column, add widget, site origin image, select a file. So click on open, set image, full width, center aligned, done. Now let's see the color which we have put in the row. So just right click at the corner and select inspect element, and as you can see we have the background color over here. So just click on that, press Ctrl C to copy, and go back to your page, edit page, and click on edit row. Under design, select background color and paste it over there. Okay, as you can see, now click on done. So you have successfully changed the color. Now make sure the template is full width and also the row is full width, so change both the things to full width. Okay, fine, this looks good. So we are done with the first row. Now the next row is to embed a YouTube video. So first we have a title, so copy this thing, add another row, just one column we want, add an widget, site origin editor, click on edit, paste the title, center align, okay. Again another row, this time also we have one column. Click on insert, drag this column bottom, select the column, click on add widget and select site origin editor, edit it and go back to any video you want. For example, I want to embed this video. Just copy the link of the video and paste it over here. As you can see, the video is successfully embedded, so just save that. So come back to the dashboard, change the layout of the middle row to full width, okay, this is fine, and background color should be F6, 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 good, done. Change the third row, edit the third row, click on layout and make sure the row layout is full width, and background color anything of your choice, F6, F6, F6 we are putting. Okay, now we have our clients, so we have to create this row now. So come back to the page, add a new row, drag this row to the bottom, and now add the site origin editor widget. Now click on edit and paste the code and just center align everything, and now we have to add the image. I have created an image of all the clients. I have merged all the images into one whole image, so just select that image and drag it to make it full size. Okay, this looks fine, and now click on done. Now let's come back to the page because we have to create the testimonial row now. Click on add new row and select 3 columns because we are adding 3 testimonials. Drag this row to the bottom, select the first column, click on add widget and select Zarif testimonial widget from there. Now author the name, that is Alice White, so just put that name. You can put an author link if you want, author detail from where that author or that person is, so you can put any place. I'm putting New York. Any text, the testimonial if you want, so just copy this text and paste it over here. You can also upload an image of that person or put the link of the image from the media, so you can simply do that. For example, if you want to put this image, just copy this link from here, come here and paste the link over here. You can also do it by just pressing this button, upload image. Okay, now once everything is done, just click on done. Now what we can do is duplicate this thing and drag it to all the 3 columns so that we don't have to create it again and again. Now the final thing is left. Oh, before that we have one title over here. We forgot the title, so click on add new row. We have to add a row with a single column and drag it just above the testimonial widget. Okay, now add a widget to this site origin editor. Now click on edit and paste the text and center align that. Click on done. Fine. Now as you can see, we have a background color is lightish gray, which is hashtag F6 F6 F6. So just put that color and make both the rows as full width row. Now we have one more row left, which is the questions row. So add another row, drag this row to the bottom, okay, fine. Now add a widget to this row, a single widget, site origin editor. Now edit this Now just copy this text from here and paste it over here, center align it. Now we have to put the call to action button, so just click on this link or on the top and you can select any animation. For example, I'm selecting flash. You have many animation, bounce, shade, whatever, shake. So I'm selecting flash, alignment, center, color, any color of your choice, black, gray, red, yellow, whatever you want. In the demo website it's gray, so we are selecting gray. Size, let's keep it medium. Icon, you can also add any icon with the button. For example, Evernote icon, see this is how it looks, but I'm not adding any icon, so I'm selecting no icon. So you can change the text. At present is download now. You can change the text into anything you want. For example, click here. Okay, now scroll down, everything is fine. You can redirect this to any URL if you want. If you don't want to redirect it to anywhere, just put a hashtag sign. And now let's see the color of the row. The same process, right click, select inspect, background color, select that color, copy it, and now let's paste it on the row. Background color, also keep the row as full width. Okay, now let's publish and see how our page looks like. Now let's come back to the page. Now let's open this page in a new tab. Okay, so this is how it looks. As you can see, we need some gap at the top. There is no padding, so we have to add some padding, and here there is gap between all the columns, so we have to fix that. This is fine. Okay, here also we need to add some padding and have to fill this gap. So okay, here also we missed it all. So it's really simple, just go back to that page and select the first row. Under layout, put the padding as 30 pixels. Click on done. So this problem will be solved. Now let's solve this problem. So for that, again go back to that page, select the second one, but select the first one, bottom margin should be 0, and for the second one select the second row. Again the padding should be 30. Fine, and make the bottom margin 0. So this will solve both the problems. Now the embedded video, bottom margin 0 and padding is 30. Fine, click on done. Now let's scroll. Everything is right with clients, nothing wrong with that, but with testimonials also we have to do this thing. So come back, select the testimonial widget, edit row, bottom margin should be 0, padding should be 30 pixels. Okay, fine, so this will solve the problem. And now we have one more at the last, in the testimonial and questions row. So select that, bottom margin 0, this will work. Okay, now everything looks fine except the last one. So just select the last one, bottom margin should be 0, padding should be 30 pixels. Click on done and update the file. Now let's refresh the page and see the changes. So as you can see, now this really looks beautiful. So we have successfully completed the sample page 2. Now let's move on to our next page, which is the gallery page. Okay guys, so now let's create the gallery page. So for that, come back to the page and click on add new page. Put the title as gallery. and publish this page, because first we need to create a gallery so that we can add on this page. So scroll down and here you'll see gallery by Substix. So open that in a new tab. Okay, from here scroll down and click on new gallery. First select the type of gallery you want. There are very many beautiful types. I have selected this one because we have used that in our demo website. So select the second one, come up, name anything. For example, we can name it as gallery and click on save. Okay, now we have to add our images. So just click on add image, import from WordPress. We don't have those images loaded, so just upload all these images. So just select everything, press the control button and click on every image you want to select. Okay, once you're done, just click on open. So this will upload all the images. Okay guys, so all our images have been successfully uploaded. Make sure every image is ticked. As you can see, every image is ticked. Now click on open. So as you can see at the right side, you are seeing that all the images is getting imported. Okay, now this looks fine. Now click on OK. Okay, we have to select all the images first and then we have to click on OK. So select all the images. Just tick mark this and this will select all the images automatically. After you do that, click on OK. After that, go to properties and here you can see there's a shortcode. Just copy that shortcode and come back to the page we created, the gallery page, and in the visual section just paste that shortcode and click on update. Now let's open this page in a new tab and let's see how it looks like. Okay guys, as you can see it looks beautiful, but we have forgot to remove this sidebar. So go back to your page and in the page attributes, templates, select full width page and update the page. And now let's refresh the page. Okay, as you can see this looks beautiful, exactly how we wanted, the same as the demo website. So we have successfully created the gallery page and now we are left with the last page, that is the contact us page. So let's create the contact us page now. So for that, again come back to your dashboard and click on add new page. In the title, put in contact us. Now add a row and obviously 2 columns because we have 2 columns. So select first column. Now at the left side you will see contact. So hover that and click on add new. And in the title put in contact, anything you want, contact us, and go back to my page. And here you will see contact form code. Just copy that code and paste it over here. Select it, delete that and paste everything over here. And make sure in the mail option the email address is correct, because you will be getting all the mails on that particular email address. So once you're done that, click on save. Again you get a shortcode for this. Just copy this shortcode. Come back, select the first column, add a widget, select site origin editor, click on edit and paste that shortcode. Now click on done. Now select the second column and now we have to add another site origin editor. Click on edit and copy all those things from my website, because that will copy all the beautiful icons also. So just paste it over here. So as you can see, the beautiful icons have been successfully copied. Now you can edit your address, phone number, email address, your business hour timing, whatever you want according to your choice. Okay, so once you're done that, just click on done. Now publish this page. Okay, now let's have a look at this page. Open this page in a new tab. Okay, this looks beautiful except this sidebar. So come back, select full width page, click on update. Now let's again refresh the page. Okay, so that's gone, but still we have one problem. We have no spacing between the header and the content. So again come back, edit the row, layout, and in the padding you can put any amount of padding. I'm putting 30 pixels. Okay, update the file. Now let's again refresh and see the changes. Okay, this looks beautiful now. So we have almost completed the website, except that we have to align all these menus in a proper order. So for that, again go back to your dashboard, hover appearances and select menus. So this is the current structure. We have to change this structure according to our need. First delete this sample page because we don't need that, that is automatically created, and add a custom link from the left side. In the URL put a hashtag, and in the link text put sample pages, and after that drag the sample page 1 and sample page 2 under sample pages, so that it becomes the sub page of sample pages, and align all the pages accordingly. Now go to manage location, and the primary menu select menu 1 and save changes. Now let's refresh this page. So as you can see, we can see everything looks fine now. So we have successfully created a website, and I know there might be many mistakes. I'm not that good instructor, but I'm always trying to improve myself, and I hope you guys understand that. So as I told you, I put a lot of efforts in making these videos. So I would really love if you guys come ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and use my link to buy a hosting account, and mark this video favorite if you really like it. Okay guys, see you next time. Till then, stay